2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, front bucket seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.